this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we have got a haul for you today. Things that I have bought from AliExpress. Oh, except for this. This comes from the Dollar Tree. And I bought this to put my foils in. I thought this would be a great container. The things don't come out. It's all stationary. But you can line your foils up every which way. Diana suggested wrapping them around a bobby pin. You know, wrapping them up real small, sticking it in a bobby pin, and look at how small that would be. So I thought that was a great idea too. So I think the two will come in handy for this. I bought this off AliExpress also. This I'm putting in the giveaway, I think. Pretty sure I am. So this has got, I don't know, 56, 58 compartments, something like that. Somebody will really love this. This would be for USA only though because of shipping. Great find. Here, I'm sure you know what this is. This is a nail stand. Here's the bottom, the pegs, the stands themselves. Love these. We have got from, what's this nailer? I thought this was from Full Beauty, but I can't remember. These are dried flowers. So I think these are really pretty. So I'll be using these with acrylic probably. Let's get this out so we can see what we have. That's trash. Trash. God, please don't spill on me. These are beautiful. There are roses in there. Where's my wax picker up there? Oh, these are so pretty. So pretty. Let's see. Paint the flowers. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, here it is. This I'm gonna have to hold in my hand. Look at the gray rose. That is so pretty. So pretty. A lot of great. Oh shoot! See, almost spilled it. Oh, there's a lot of great goodies in here. Oh, there's a little pearl too. Hopefully you can see everything, or oh, there's a couple little pearls. Right here. Right there. Oh, this is, I love this. I've never had one of these like this before. Love, love, love. What else do we have? These are some like glitter, neon glitter mixes, I guess you'd say. These are super pretty. We have got some foils, and I just got these yesterday. And I don't see anything. I mean, it just looks like a black strip. Oh shoot, I dropped everything on the floor. A black strip. So I'm a little, I don't know. I may put this in the giveaway as well. I don't know. So now, give me a second, I gotta pick everything. Whoops. I have everything in a bag and I just dropped it on the floor, so let me get it. Okay. We have here some alcohol inks. Let me see if I can find the others. Sorry for all the noise. You are going to hear that periodically throughout the video. These are by Modelones. And there are 3 different colors. This is ice flower liquid on them, and this is like, please don't let me spell it. This is like a red. These are really cool. Really cool. This would be a, oh shoot, pink. This should be blue, I think, or purple. Oh, look at that. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. Next we have, oh boy. I don't know why I buy these, because I don't know. I have probably a gazillion of little containers like this of stuff I've never used. That I can't get open either. Well, here we go. This is like, oh, that is beautiful. Like a sapphire blue. That is beautiful. Ooh, here's another one. This is the same as the one I already opened and showed you before. Same mix. Beautiful. I'll be keeping both of those. Here we have some 4 pretty nail art. They're fake nails. Probably 10 sizes, maybe 50 in there, I guess, maybe. Oh, here we have a set. Love these containers. Love, love, love. How do you open me? Here we go. These will come in very handy for my nail art. Maybe one day I'll do press-on nails. Who knows? Well, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? I'll see if I get this baby to stay for a sec. I've never had nails quite. No, I've never had nails that long. Never. Love this. Next we have the wheel bobbles. These are, I believe, for nail piercing. Yes, they are. I've yet to try that one out. I really, really want to, but I've got this stuff to do it. But I can't see the little hole. Got some new silicone tools. Clear fake nails. Ooh, look at these. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, constellation foils. That is so cool. These, I believe, I got at Walmart, so this wasn't from AliExpress. I got these at Walmart. I thought these were pretty cool. These were like $3 and something, though, for this sheet, so that wasn't too bad. Although, yeah, they're made by Wet n Wild. Base and body gel, except we're going to use them for nail art. Right? We got some Fimos. These are leaves, I believe. I need to take a drink. Hold on one sec. Getting kind of parched. Oh, let me see this one now. This one is different than the other two. Where is mine? We have a red Rossi. Oh, that is beautiful. A lot of beautiful things in this one. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Put this away before I spill this one. We have got another wheel here. Oh, these are beautiful. Can't really make out what is in them, so let's take a little peek. Let's destroy that wrapper real quick. Oh, I lost one of my bottles. And it's a heart. Can't lose a heart. Alrighty now. Back to, whoops. Running out of room. Back to the wheel. Let's check out one. These are for piercing as well. I can't make out what it is, but they're for piercing nails. Whoops. Thank God my nails aren't too long. I'd never be able to turn that wheel. We have got some raspberry pinkish colored glitter. Chrome powder maybe, I don't know. Another space scene foil. They're so beautiful. Ooh, we got some bling. Bling bling. Oh, look at how beautiful and shiny rainbowish those are. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh. That is beautiful. Okay, this is by Born Pretty. Why can't I get these open ever? You're watching me struggle. Yep, I can't get this open. So, this is a blue hollow, I believe. I don't know if you can see this. I can't get that open. Here's another of the black foil. Okay. Here's the piercing tool to, little needles in here. Switch around the ends. You pierce your nail. We've got our bling. What do we have here? Something else I'm gonna drop and can't open. Sorry about that. Stick my head in the way. This looks like, where did I put it? These look identical. I don't know if I'll be able to open this one. Oh yeah, praise God. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful, ooh, almost spilled it. That is beautiful. I will be keeping these. Ooh, I hope I don't spill them. Those are both by Born Pretty. These are some dots. Look at how pretty those are. Here's some black and white, silver and red. This is a mixture of like yellow and lime green, and I think you want to call it gold maybe. Pinks, red and white, yellow, blue, and purple. Love this one. This is like a teal, white, and gold, purple, lavender maybe you want to call it. These, I don't know if you can see the color of these. Let me try and spread them out. These are purple. Beautiful, my favorite color. Here are some more Fimos. These are a mixture of things. I can't focus on anything to pick one. There's Mickey's body. Smiley face, a star, the yin yang symbol, flowers. They're so, look like a snowflake. They're beautiful. I love these. I've yet to use them, but I'm trying to collect. Ooh, these are beautiful, multicolored. Oh, look at that. Looky, looky, looky. And last but not least, call these like a periwinkle color. Light blue. No periwinkle, I call them. Well, this is the end of my haul for today. I hope you've really enjoyed it, because I sure have. I really enjoy showing you my goodies. Cannot wait to use them. Keep watching. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.